looks so nice. Valentine. Chocolate covered strawberries. It's Valentine's Day. I give up. Man, that scratched the living daylights out of me. So please excuse the noise. I live somewhat on a busy street and I do not have a garage, which I wish I would have had. But we have to deal with the cars coming and going. We're gonna delete the chrome here. I give up. This is too tedious for me to do and I don't have the patience. I'd rather pay somebody to do it. On to project number 2. So I bought new emblems from the car and I just went to pull this one off and it just popped off. So whoever owned this car put a bunch of glue or something in here. I got some new ones. Man, that scratched the living daylights out of me. Ain't nothing a little paint marker can't fix. Oh no! That's see? Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking. Oh, wow, man. But we did it. Nice. So let's try to pop this one off. We got a problem. Just when things are going well, it's wrong. So I gotta order another one. We have one more thing to do. Let's see if we can get it done. So what we're gonna do is try to change these bad boys. I bought a filter and I keep forgetting to change it. Air filter, done. Throw this in the trash. Ding! One more thing I totally forgot. I bought new mirrors. As you guys can see, the grills are done. That emblem's done. So we have to order another emblem from the back. I still can't find my mic, so it might be officially gone for good. I'm going to get somebody to do the chrome delete around the windows, and that's it. I'll catch you in a bit. So we are on our way to Speed World. Ooh, looks so nice. Valentine's. We're going to Speed World to do the chrome delete around the windows. The one and only Mr. Mickey. How you doing, Mick? How you doing, my brother? Yo, Menor, I'm here for that window chrome delete. What's up?
All right, that's what's up.
A few moments later.
We're officially done here at Speed World. The car is looking totally different for just a little bit of vinyl. We're gonna go now to you know who. You already know. Come on, everybody together now. Who's PAPI Tires? Hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Help us out. Doing a lot of work here. Now that was a quick one. I don't think I've ever been in and out like that fast. Rims and tires are on. The tires that are on the rim, they could use a change, but they can go maybe till the summer maybe, and then by then I'll buy a new set of tires. So then we're gonna ride with these. Car rides smooth. This car is a transformed vehicle. It looks totally different. Well, we had to make a stop. You already know it's Valentine's Day, so but look at this. Wait, nice. You already know we had to pick up the chocolate covered strawberries. Chocolate covered strawberries. It's Valentine's Day, so we need strawberries. Should I make this left? I'm gonna get strawberries. Might as well get a balloon too. Oh my God.